Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to unhide a game on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to unhide a game on Steam, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam account, as I've already logged into my Steam account over here. And after logging into your Steam account, you'll land on this interface. Now in order to unhide games on your Steam account, at the top left corner of the screen on this interface, you can see a bunch of items available for us, or icons or options available for us. Where I'm hovering, click on the view option over here just beside the Steam button, and the hidden games option available for us will be here just below the library. You can see guys the hidden games. Click on it and all of your hidden games on your Steam account will be over here. Now in order to unhide it, right click on the game on which you want to unhide on Steam, and when this menu appears guys, you can see the manage button available for us. Hover over the manage, and when this interface appears, you can see the remove from hidden button available for us. Click on remove from hidden, and that game will be unhidden on your Steam account. And there guys, this is how to unhide a game on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.